I'm Shamla, part of the organizing team who is arranging this first initiative in the region itself. It goes as the first regional gathering of phasing out fossil fuels and agrochemicals in Asia. This convenes of delegations from 25 countries, around 80 delegates are here, who are experts on their own field, which is connected to the thematic of this convening. And we had set up with few objectives with reference to this important gathering, which includes of sharing insights and experience of sustainable practices and policies. We are very much focused and in a thematic manner of this phasing out of fossil fuel and agrochemical in the Asia region, and also facilitating a collaborative dialogue to identify regional challenges and opportunities to work together with all these delegations towards the global agenda of the just transition, and also establishing a shared understanding of the interconnected challenges during working in this particular agenda in a collective manner is more of the global collectiveness that we are trying to achieve towards the just transition.